To get the most out of your Roundr PropCon integration, you need to use the Roundr mobile app for your daily tasks. Here I'm going to show you how that works. First things first, let's add a note. From the Roundr app home dashboard, you select the Properties tab and then select the property that you want to record the note about. You can then select the Property Notes tab and add a note. You can also set a reminder. Once that's saved, let's go over to your PropCon CRM. If you go to your listings and select the same property that you made your note on, you can see that the note is now in this property's timeline. You can also see the note is saved in your notes section. Next, let's see how easy it is to sync a viewing. Back in your Roundr app, you're going to select the plus button at the bottom right of the screen. You select Add Viewing and then enter the viewer's details. Note that once you begin typing, suggestions will pop up. Make sure that you choose a contact from these or click above and select a contact from the list. These are contacts that have come from your PropCon CRM, which means the viewing will sync to them. Then add in the date and time and choose which property this viewing is for. Then save. Once again, back to your PropCon CRM and go to the property which you added the viewing for. You will see the viewing is in the listings timeline. If you head over to your contacts list and find the viewer, you will see that the viewing is in his timeline too. Simple, right? Now let's look at saving viewing feedback and having it sync to PropCon. Once your viewing is over, you have this little notification here reminding you that you have feedback to send. After selecting that, you choose which viewing you are saving feedback about. Next, you would add text or a voice note and save it. The next screen gives you share options, but we will cover that in a separate video. Back to your PropCon CRM and to that particular property. Here you can see in your overview that the feedback has synced. If you go to your feedback tab, you will see the feedback there too. And this is an upcoming appointment over here. If you recorded a voice note for your feedback, this is what it would look like. Now moving on to contact notes. From the Roundr home dashboard, go to your listings and select a property. In the property, you can see all the viewings that have taken place at this particular house. Viewings are stored by viewer's name in Roundr. If you open the viewing by selecting it, you will see a space to add viewing notes. Add your note here. This can pertain to this particular viewing or even just to the viewer in general. You can also set a reminder for this if you want to. Once you've saved, and if you go back to your PropCon CRM and select the same contact that you added the note on, you will see the note is added to that contact's overview, and you can also find it in the contact's notes. And just like that, Roundr and PropCon together make your life and work as an estate agent much simpler and more streamlined.